Hi everyone, my name is Pamela Moreira and I'd like to welcome you to the Money Channel. I will be teaching you how to make money online in the network marketing space. I have my own home-based business with HealthyNuLiving, selling health and wellness products that are approved by the FDA. Also recruiting members onto my team for 20% commissions and 50 to 100% matching bonuses for everyone you personally refer and everyone they refer. The income potential with HealthyNuLiving is unlimited. So please stay tuned and hit me up for more information. Thank you for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoy the videos. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.